In the fast-paced world of food and beverage manufacturing, keeping your production line running smoothly is critical. Between maintaining efficiency, ensuring product quality, and adhering to strict safety standards, there's little room for error. But what if there was a tool that could help you optimize your application lubrication in your plant? Introducing the FUCHS LCCP Audit. LCCP stands for Lubricant Critical Control Program. It's a study that assesses lubrication risks and identifies opportunities for improvement in food safety, more efficient maintenance, and energy cost savings. The FUCHS LCCP audit avoids costs coming from rejection of defective products, cross-contamination, or damage to brand image. Whether you're managing high-speed conveyors, heavy-duty mixers, or complex packaging machinery, the LCCP audit takes it all into account. By requesting a FUCHS LCCP audit, you can enjoy several benefits: reduced downtime, improved efficiency, cost savings, and ensuring food safety. Because when your production line runs smoothly, it translates to consistent quality and improved bottom line. What happens next? One of our experts will visit your facility for a detailed assessment. All lubrication points will be evaluated. Current products will be reviewed. A comprehensive lubrication report will be compiled and shared with you a few days after the assessment. Ready to take control of your plant lubrication and unlock these benefits? Request your FUCHS LCCP audit today. FUCHS is moving your world.